Peace. Love and light to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I am the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'm back to talk about our next birthday number, which is the number 8. Now, the significance of this particular number is it is both spiritual and materialistic. If you take a closer look at the number 8, it resembles or puts you in the mind of the infinity symbol, which deals with the recycling or the travel path of energy. The number 8 resonates with authority, self confidence, inner strength, inner wisdom, and social status, including ego and a deep reverence for humanity and peaceful atmospheres. In addition, if 8 is your birthday number, you are a stickler for success, which can easily be acquired for you. You may have a huge appetite for luxury cars, labels, and anything name brand. And if the number 8 is your birthday number, more than likely your lesson this lifetime will consist of you learning to not do things the hard way all the time. Okay? So that's pretty much all I have for you today, my beautiful family. And just be on the lookout for the next video, which will be covering the birthday number 9. And also, if you like or love the content I've been sharing on this channel, please feel free to hit that like button, leave a positive comment below if you wish, and hit that notification bell to show some extra love, okay? Because it's always greatly appreciated. And once again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug signing off. Peace, love, and light. Ashe.